Peekaboo! I see you! Look what I have! This is a puzzle. Can you say puzzle? Say puzzle. Puzzle. We're going to dump the puzzle pieces out so we can put it back together. Look, what goes cluck, 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 cluck. Do you know what animal makes that sound? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yes, it's a chicken. Here's the chicken. Can you say cluck, cluck? Let's put the chicken in. Say in, and we'll put it in. In. There it is. We put the chicken in. What makes the sound? Oink, oink, oink. Can you do that? Oink, oink, oink. Do you know what animal makes that sound? Yes, that's right. It's a piggy. Look. The piggy says, oink, oink. Let's put the piggy in the yellow spot. Say in, and we'll put the piggy in. In. Wow, look at that. Yay. What makes the sound? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Can you do that? Squeak, squeak, squeak. What makes that sound? It's a mouse. It's a mouse. The mouse makes the sound squeak, squeak. Let's put the mouse in the red spot. Can you see the red spot? It's right there. Yes, say in, and we'll put the mouse in. In. Wow, look. Nice, we have 3 so far. 1, 2, 3. What makes the sound? Woof, 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 woof. Do you know what makes that sound? Woof, woof. Yes, that's right. It's a dog. Say dog. A dog makes the sound woof, woof. Let's put the dog in the brown spot. Do you see the brown spot for the dog? Yes, let's put it in. Say in. There we go. We put the doggy in. What makes the sound? Hiss. Can you do that? Hiss. What makes that sound? It's a snake. Yes, it's a snake. The snake goes hiss, hiss, hiss. Let's put the snake in the yellow spot. Say in. In. Good job. What makes the sound? Meow. Meow. Do you know who does that? Yes, it's a cat. Yes, a cat says meow. Let's put the cat in the orange spot. Do you see the orange spot? Yes, it's right here. Say in. In. Yay. What makes the sound? Bzzz. Bzzz. Do you know what makes that sound? Yes, that's right. It's a bee. It's a bee. Bee makes the sound bzz, bzz. Do you see where the bee would go? Yes, the bee would go in the orange spot. Bzz. There we go. Yay! The bee is in. Good job. What makes the sound? Ah, ah. Can you do that sound? Ah. Yes, it's a sheep. The sheep says bah, bah. Do you see the orange spot where the sheep would go? Bah, bah. Yes, the sheep goes in the orange spot right there. Good job. What makes the sound? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Can you do that? Yes, ribbit, ribbit. It's a frog. A frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Yeah, and the frog is green. Can you see the green spot where the frog would go? Yes, that's right. Let's put it in right here. Good job. What makes the sound moo, moo? Do you know what animal makes that sound? Moo. It's a cow. Yes, the cow says moo. Do you see the spot where the cow would go? Yes, that's right, in the blue spot. And wow, we finished the puzzle. Look, there's all kinds of animals that are on the farm. Let's see, we have the chicken that goes cluck, cluck, cluck. The pig that says oink, oink, oink. The mouse says squeak, squeak. The dog says woof, woof, woof. The snake says hiss. The cat says meow. The bee says bzzz. The sheep says bah, bah. The frog says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And the cow says moo, moo. Thank you for helping me put the puzzle together. Do you want to sing a song with me about Old Macdonald? Yeah, all right, let's do it. Ready? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... Do you hear that? What's that sound? It sounds like it's coming from in here. It looks like a barn. Let's knock on the door. Come in? Okay. Let's open the door. This looks like a latch that twists. Say twist. Say open. And we'll open the door. Open. Wow! It's a pig! There is a pig in there. Pig. A pig says oink, 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 oink. Can you do that? Oink, oink. Look, he's so cute. Pig has 4 legs. Let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. What color is the pig? Yes, that's right. The pig is pink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... What's that sound? Do you hear that? It sounds like another animal. It sounds like it's coming from in here. Let's twirl it around. It sounds like this door. Should we knock on the door? Come in? Okay, let's undo the lock. This looks like it slides. It slides this way and slide it out. And let's put it in this hole so that it can be out of the way. Now let's put our finger in this slot and open the door. Open. Wow! It's a goat. It's a goat. This goat has a beard. Look, and he has horns on top of his head. Wow! And this goat also has 4 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Do you know what color this goat is? The goat is white. Let's keep going with our song. Ready? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... What's that sound? Do you hear that? It sounds like it's coming from in here. Well, let's check it out. It sounds like it's coming from this door. Look, this has 2 doors. 1, 2. And it's held together by this latch. Let's knock on the door. Come in? Okay, now we have to figure out how to undo the latch. It looks like a hook. The hook is inside of this hole. Let's lift it up. Say up and over. And let's open the door. Say open. 1, 2. Wow! It's a cow. Wow. Cow. The cow says moo. Can you say moo? Yeah, and the cow also has 4 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. Let's spell cow. C-O-W. Cow. Yeah. Let's continue singing our song. Where did we leave off? Old Macdonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a... What's that sound? Do you hear that? I hear something again coming from here. Let's check it out. I think it's coming from there. Let's knock on the door. Come in. This door also has 2. 1, 2. How do we open it? Looks like a latch. Let's go out. And let's open the doors. Open. Wow! It's a horse. The horse said, neigh, neigh. Can you do that? Neigh. The horse is brown with white spots, and he's got a black mane and a black tail. This horse also has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, and his hooves are black, just like the cow and the goat. Let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Where did we leave off in our song? Let's sing it. Got it. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a... Do you hear that? Another sound is coming from in the barn. Sounds like it's coming from over here. Yeah, we haven't checked this door yet. I wonder what that is. Let's knock. Come in? Okay. Let's undo the latch. First, we have to go out, then out again. Say open. It's a chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. Yeah, the chicken goes cluck, cluck. The chicken has feathers, and the chicken only has 2 feet. 1, 2. Let's finish with our song. Ready? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a... Do you hear that? Another sound is coming from the barn. I think it's coming from over here. Let's see. I hear it from... This door has that sound. Let's knock on the door. Come in? Okay. Let's unlock the door. Let's slide slide the latch out. Say out. There we go. Now let's open the door. Open. Wow! It's a sheep. A sheep. The sheep says, "Bah! Wow, look! The sheep has a white wool. That's this right here. That's a white and it's wool. Sometimes we have wool in our sweater, or maybe our pants to keep us warm, and that can come from the sheep. Look, the sheep has black hooves and a black face. How cute! Wow, let's put all of the farm animals back in their place. Ready? Let's start with the sheep. Let's put the sheep back in. Say in. And let's close the door. Okay, good night, little sheep. Do you remember what went into this door? Which animal? That's right, it was the pig. Let's put the pig in. Oink, 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 oink. Go into your spot, little piggy. Oink, oink, oink. Good night. Let's close the door. Close. Then we do the latch. Twist, twist. Do you remember which animal goes in here? Let's see. Yes, it's the horse. Nay, nay. Go into your place, little horse. Nay, nay, horsey. Good night. Let's close the door. And close the latch. Okay, let's turn it around. Do you remember which animal goes into this compartment? Let's open it up. It's the cow. Moo, moo. Go into your place, little cow. Moo. Yay. Good night. Sleep tight, little cow. Let's do up your latch so you're nice and safe. What about this compartment? Which animal goes here? Yes, that's right. It's the chicken. The chicken goes here. Cluck, 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 cluck. Let's go into your spot, little chicken. And let's close the door so you're nice and safe. Latch it, and then latch it again. Wow. We have one more spot left. And that spot must be for Mr. Goat. Yes, let's open. Open your spot, Mr. Goat. Let's go in. Go, 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 go. Mr. Goat, yay. Close. Close the latch. That way he's nice and safe. All right. Well, thank you so much for playing farm animals with me today. That was so fun.